Good morning. This is Rich with Rich Fitch Coaching. So 3 habits that I want you to start in the new year. Before I even get started, click the link below, subscribe to my channel. I've been forgetting to say that. Hey, I'm new to this, all right? So, at least the video, making videos, not everything else. Ha, funny. So, 3 habits, right? A little bit different, people have been forgetting these. These are important. Drink baking soda, tablespoon of baking soda, in 8 ounces of water, or a little bit more, that's fine, before you go to bed. So why? So I took some notes. Alkalizes the body. Honestly, I think that's the most important thing that you can really just do on a daily basis is get your pH balance to balance, right? And cleanses your digestive tract. So I've said it in a couple other videos of what I find, and I'm not a doctor. I'm a performance recovery specialist, so I am a strength coach that deals with injuries, and my main focus is posture, getting the person back to their athletic sport, whatever it is, right? Typically later in life, 30s and above type of athletes, moms, dads, those types of people. So if this is you, great. If this isn't you, well, hope you can learn something, right? So all I really have to say, alkalize your body on a daily basis. The conversation is really over, because if you know basic chemistry, base, acid, if you have acid in petri dishes, bacteria can't grow in an alkalized environment. Base, it can grow in an acidic environment. The majority of our food is very acidic. Our environment is acidic. Our medicine's very acidic. So if you can alkalize your body, you'll bring it back to harmony, and you'll never get sick. So, but I can't make those claims because I'm not a doctor. I don't have those accolades in front of me. So I understand the medical system very well. 1 hour. Your doctor, your physician has 1 hour of nutrition. Don't forget that. So I won't go on that. Cleanse your digestive system. You're full of poop. Putrefied feces stuck in your intestine will create an acidic environment, and i.e. bacteria will grow in your system and you get sick. Easy. So, number 2, apple cider vinegar in the morning. So what I do is I do a quart, all right? So I do a lot. I do 2 tablespoons and a quart of water, and I use my rugby skills and I jug it. Tastes like shit, whatever, I could say shit, right? So hopefully in my contents, it's just my vocabulary. I don't mean any offense to that. So what does that do? It's antibacterial, right? It regulates your pH in your body. Pretty much the same thing. I'm kind of reluctant to say this, but because I deal with a lot of men that we forgot how to be manly in a 2022 version, right? You don't have to be an a-hole, but it can grow a pair and it reduces the swelling of your vagina. I probably just lost everybody in that video, but whatever. It's funny. Relax. This is I'm letting my humor side out as we're starting to get serious, and I'm not being condescending prick from the East Coast. I'm showing my love for you through this video. Okay, so number 3, fasting, right? They all go hand in hand with what I'm talking about. lowers inflammation. The number one thing that will kill us long term is inflammation. Dis-ease. The body is dis-ease. So these are just 3 little things. You know, and intermittent fasting is just gone AWOL, which is fantastic because everyone's getting it. That if you can give your body a chance to relax, it'll bring it back to homeostasis, harmony within, right? So lowers inflammation, anti-aging, right? This is all going same thing. Boost your metabolism, right? All 3 of these will help you boost your metabolism. All 3 of these will help lower inflammation, anti-aging. These have been around for centuries. I don't know about sodium bicarbonate, which is baking soda, ideally. I'm picky on what I buy for baking soda. I don't know what's in Arm & Hammer, so I look for organic. If that means anything, I don't know when it comes to it. I haven't really researched it. I'll answer that question on another time, at another time. But 3 things that you can do. Simple. And this will make a big difference. You don't even have to do the Yahoo thing and go to the gym for 2 weeks and then quit and then you forget where the gym is and then we reset next year. Simple little things that will help you progress forward. So, hope you found that informative. Subscribe to hit the button below, subscribe. I dropped some websites in this link below just so you can read about it, understand it, and away we go. Cheers, have a good day.